Okay, this is a special video. That's a neat noise. Anyway, this is a device that's responsible for some of the funny noises that you hear on channel 23. Specifically the digital noise that you hear in the background. It sounds like something's talking to something else. These are gate openers. There's a receiver, and these put out about 10 watts with a digital signal. And every time you hear one of these on the CB band, you know that with a 10-watt signal you can get out. So let me put this up here and close this together. See that? So now you know.